Today I want to show you how to make my absolute favorite sage sausage stuffing. I'm going to fire up my Blackstone 36-inch griddle and turn the heat to medium-low. Next, I'm going to dice up 3 cups of yellow onions and 5 or 6 cloves of fresh garlic. Drop the garlic and onions onto a well-oiled griddle top. Use my spatulas and let's get a nice saute going. Meanwhile, I picked up a couple tubes of sage-flavored breakfast sausage. Break that sausage up and let it start to cook. I like to do this recipe with French, Italian, or sourdough bread. So now I'm just gonna slice and dice these loaves up. Back to the griddle and look at that sausage. We're gonna incorporate the garlic and the onions with the sausage, and now we're gonna dump that big old bowl straight down on the griddle. Incorporate these ingredients and you are immediately gonna see beautiful color. Just keep turning that around. I'm gonna pour chicken broth all over those chunks of bread. This is gonna give the bread lots of body and a delicious poultry flavor. And finally, we'll season it with sea salt and black pepper. A very forgiving recipe, and if it looks too dry, you can just pour a little more chicken broth. Let's give it a try. Get some of that bread, some of that sausage in there. Absolutely delicious, and the perfect side dish for Thanksgiving. And I did it all on my Blackstone. And if you want more information on any of the Blackstone products, you can just visit us at blackstoneproducts.com.